Yeah, like, what was that like?
I heard the booming. I heard it boom. I don't know. It was really scary. Nothing was shaking, but you can hear the roof. Like, I mean, you can hear things banging on the roof. I thought it was hail, but it wasn't. It was actually the trees. You actually felt the pressure. I mean, you heard the pressure from the windows, like pushing inward.
Yeah.
You actually heard it. Like you heard the big thump. Boom. You know, they're pushing inward. And I ran in my room to check the balcony. The balcony window was 30, and I'm screaming, "Don't you know? Did any other windows come in? Did they come in?" He goes, "No."
Yeah, it was scary because you didn't know how long it was going to last. Yeah.
It was purple, right?
Yeah. Was it dark?
No, all of a sudden, to me, actually, I just saw like yellow-gray haze, and I'm like, I'm taking shelter.
No, when we were standing and we were like, it's really pretty looking at the background.
It was black and pretty. It was contrasted with the leaves, and then it just turned.
Yeah,
it just turned on.
I never seen that color.